Hi, thank you for clicking on this video. This is a short presentation on Novotab's Conveyancing Database Management System. This presentation is only on the system's interface. We are leaving out other details such as the full security feature, and it's meant to potential clients so that they can have a better understanding on what our system is about and how it can serve for your company's benefit. I am limiting myself to a short presentation. This is just an introduction, so note that this system is designed by Novotab. Any other functionment can be added to suit your law firm's need. This system, this interface, is created using Access 2007 with Visual Basic application. The database is protected by a general password. This is the second tier pass security level. Once logged in, you will be greeted by the main interface. From this interface, you can go to different type of sections such as entering the records, search, view reports, and graph. There's two ways to enter a record. I will show you how to do this. If we click here, it will open a new window, which is the client window, where we enter information about the client. There is the basic information, and you can choose to use the IC, old IC, company's ID, or passport. You also have the attachment part, where you can attach any scanned file related to your client, such as a copy of the IC. The scanned file will be attached to the record for as long as you have the record, which means you don't have any time limit to keep the files, and it requires 0 office space. Once you entered all of the infos, you can go to the property form here, and here you have the essential infos you need to insert related to the property. Again, as you can see here, the street address, property type, landed, high-rise or land, the state, the title stage, the title type, lot number, Mukim district, some notes about the property that you wish to insert, and the attachment for grant and other documents as you wish. Once you fill that up, you can go to the last part, which is the file form. Here is where you link your client with the property. This is where you enter your fees, what this deal is about, and some notes into it. The notes are very useful because it will record everything you inserted, so any clerks or lawyers can open the file and see the history of this deal. Some example for this one, I will put in title, for title from developer. Click and save, and then received title from developer. Click save, and from here show column history, and I can see here when I entered it and what was the status before and the status currently. As usual, the attachment, where you can attach the SPA and other related documents. The other way to insert a record is by going straight to the file. From the file, you can choose the property and the clients, or create one if it's not yet created. The system is made to avoid any duplication on the client's ID, so you won't have the same client with two client records. The general way to do a search is by clicking here, where you can search using name or IC. For example, I don't really remember the name, but I know that it starts with AD something, so I just click search, and here you are, the list of names that has the word AD in it. I just click his IC, and it will list down all of the files that I'm related to. From here you can click to open the file, to view it. It is as simple as that. If you have the IC, you can directly insert here, and it will list down all the files related to the IC. Another function is the audit trail, where this is an extra security feature to know who and when the records were edited, created, or deleted, and what was the initial value prior to the editing. Here is the name part, and the value before and after, and what part. The other extraction you can get from record is the report. Clicking here, choosing the month that you wish to see, you will have all the details on the deals that you have done on that particular month. This is our current format for the report, but this can be modified to suit your law firm's requirement. Last but not least is the graph chart presentation of your law firm's performance. The given chart are charts on the number of files, and the other one is the total fees. It is very interesting to see here that your law firm dealt with high quantity of files on this particular month, and yet didn't get a very satisfying fee compared to other months. You can see what kind of deals that made up or the most influential on your income for that month. Currently, we have sub-sale, developer, refinance, and discharge. Other types of deals that your company is doing can be added. You can choose any period here that you would like to see your law firm's progress. Another additional add-on that we have put together is Gmail and Google Calendar. If your company does not use Gmail, this can be changed. However, we advise you to use Gmail, since you can use the Google Calendar feature that is very useful to the advancement of your company. You can manage this calendar to put in your meetings, invite others into your meetings, and thanks to Google feature, you can view this calendar on your smartphone. This marks the end of our small presentation. We hope you like it, and thank you so much for your time. We are a system developer, and we are here to serve your need. Thank you very much, and have a pleasant day.